Today I'm going to walk you through how to create an application form on WordPress step by step. Whether you're looking to gather job applications, event registrations, or any kind of information from your website visitors, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functioning form live and ready to go on your site. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is basically your website's control center, where you manage everything from posts to plugins. If you're new to WordPress, just go to and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, we're going to install a plugin called WPForms. Plugins are sort of like apps for your website. They help you add new features without needing any coding skills. To install WPForms, look to the left sidebar and click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar that pops up, type WPForms and you'll see it appear, usually right near the top of the list. Go ahead and hit Install now, and once it's finished, click Activate. Don't worry if loading takes a few seconds, that's completely normal. WPForms is one of the most popular form builder plugins for WordPress, and it's designed to be super user-friendly. Once WPForms is activated, you'll notice a new menu item called WPForms on the left side of your dashboard. Click on it to open the WPForms area. Now to start building your application form, click Add New at the top. This is where you're going to create a brand new form from scratch or use a pre-made template. No need to stress, WPForms comes with a variety of templates to help you get started quickly. On the left panel, you'll see a search bar. Type application into this search bar and several template options should appear, like job application or general application. Pick one that closely matches what you need. These templates are a great launching pad because they include common fields that most application forms need, such as name, email, and any custom questions. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. You can always edit the details to suit your specific requirements. As you begin editing your form, you might notice that some features or fields are marked as Pro features. That means they're only available if you upgrade WPForms to a paid version. If you see a notice at the top saying your form contains Pro fields, they will not be present in the published form. Upgrade now to unlock these features, don't panic. You can simply delete or replace those specific fields with the free alternatives provided. The goal is to ensure your form works smoothly for your visitors, even if you're just using the free version. Take your time customizing your form, adding or removing fields as needed. If you need to include extra questions or gather documents, you can do that here. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save at the top. This is just like saving a draft so you don't lose any progress. Now it's time to publish your form on your website. Head over to the page where you want to display the application form. This could be a dedicated careers page or wherever you want it to appear. In the page editor, type WPForms. This will bring up a block or widget where you can select your newly created form from a drop-down menu. You still have the chance to make final edits here if needed, but once you're satisfied, hit Publish. That's it, your application form is now live for visitors to fill out. If any part of this process feels tricky, don't hesitate to pause and double-check each step. Creating forms is a skill you'll use again and again, so it's worth taking a little extra time to get things just right. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow WordPress guides. Good luck with your new application form. I can't wait to see what you create.